Now I show all the code till Redux-Saga. So for first I show the context. This is the action type, and here this is auth action. So I remove here all the unwanted code, which is unused code here. So if you don't see warning in console, this is the action type here. And for auth action, if from here I also remove axios. Okay, auth reducer, this is the reducer. And this is the action type, user action, also remove from here. This is the unused code. Last one is reducer. This is the store. Now saga, this is the auth task or auth saga. I refactor this one so you can easily see. This is related to register user. I minimize this one. Second one for login. Last one is for logout. This is the logout. And for user task, I also refactor this one. This is related for getting the all details. Second one is for updating details with the help of saga. Here condition check, sending response, post response, or put for updating. This is the error or success, and here catching error. Third one for delete. First dispatch request, sending request, delete, and here error if not getting status 200, then catch. Okay, this is the done part, this is done. And saga, you can call all saga in this JS file. This is the connector or connection between your store or anything you can say. So a context, okay, this is last one, store. And for component here, this is the register component. In register component there is no such changes in Redux-Saga. Profile, you can pause the video, and then if you miss anything in code, then you can pause and then write in any line which you missed the code. This is the hobbies, gender, dob, bio. Okay, navbar, there is no change in navbar, all code is as it is. Login, home, same as it is. This is not any change, don't any change. Now this is the dashboard component, functional component. Okay, and last one, index app.js, and here I also show index.css file. If you miss the any styling, this is a default one. Okay, thank you.